often we bring our students out to outside playgrounds. There are so many parks around us, and we access the nature and the park often.
I'm Agnes Stowicki, Managing Editor with Our Kids. We're speaking with insiders from Canada's leading private and independent schools to bring you insights into school programs, culture, traditions, and leadership. This includes insights from parents, alumni, and administration. This is the Our Kids Insider Perspective.
The three things I love about my job are students, staff members, and the environment. When I first joined, I was very excited. This is a brand new school and is two culture, Western and Chinese culture combination. What does a typical day look like for me? One word, busy. I have been seeing a lot of improvement on all the students, whether their academic classes or their fine art program study. The staff turnover, I would say, is same as public school or other independent school. What is an example of someone who lived the values of the school today? I would say everyone. The majority of students currently studying at HongDe Elementary School, most of them are coming from Southeast Asia. The reason because we are a bilingual Chinese and English school. The parents would like their kids to have both culture. Some students may need extra support, so definitely they would not be suitable for our school. Majority of students were all born in Vancouver or Canada, so I would say the culture of our school will be Chinese and Canadian culture. We all try to collaborate as a team at the school. Our school has counselor and consultant, so we have professional people to ask for help when we need it. I would say hardworking. We do have a good relationship with our surrounding and the city. Often we bring our students out to outside playgrounds. There are so many parks around us, and we access the nature and the park often. My advice to the parents when they are searching for school, my first question will be, are they sending their student to public school or private school? And what type of private school they are looking for? Is to do with bilingual school or is have to do with a technology school, as an example.
For more information about this school, you can visit their profile at ourkids.net.